I'm Shrenu Tikuna. I'm staying in Pune only. I'm a teacher. I was having complex fistula 2, 3 years before. Last year only I had gone undergone surgery, but that wound didn't heal. So this year again I came to meet Dr. Porwal because I heard healing hand and all the staff of the healing hand, and that's why I came here. I met Dr. Ashwin Porwal, and he assured that don't worry, you'll heal here. So I put faith on his words. He check up all the necessary tests. Everything gets done, and on 29th of May I undergone again this surgery, and really thanks to Dr. Porwal and all the staff members are really very kind here. All the follow properly they have taken. Every 8 days I used to come here. They treat me very nicely. Every time they used to give proper medicine, and that also not very harsh. Ayurveda also they are giving, so that is also very helpful for my body and to heal this wound. So I'm really thankful to all the staff members, all whoever, even those who are not in medical field, those also members, they help me a lot. And very important, Dr. Ashwin Porwal, because of him I am healed, and I'm very happy for that. So thank you once again, and may God bless them, all of them. और ऐसे ही पेशेंट्स यहाँ से हील होते जाए, यही मेरी दुआ है, and I'm so grateful. Thank you.